Listen, y'all, my texture be confused in the front. Coming together. 1 something in the morning. Got work at 8:30. What's up, y'all? It's Shanice, aka China Irie, aka Pineapple Styles, and I am back with another video. If you couldn't tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a sew-in on my hair. We're going to do a middle part bust down with leave out on this hair of mine. Now, if you're thinking, girl, don't your outfit and everything look the same from the last video? It is, because it's the same day. I literally did my friend's hair. Make sure you look at that video. We did color and clip-ins, and now I'm going to be doing my hair. Now it is like almost 10 o'clock p.m., but my hair needs to be get done because I'm going on a trip home to New York. So I want to make sure my hair is done, and I have clients the rest of next week before I leave. So yeah, we got to get this done. So I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair, and then I also have to color my bundles black. If you didn't already, make sure you go ahead after this video and go check out my unboxing video for my bundles. I got the ISee hair. I ordered from ISee Hair Beauty, and I got the Hollywood wave, which there weren't many videos on it, but I was like, I'm gonna trust that it's like a deep wave. Let me show you. This is a bundle that I kind of separated, but yeah, you see it's kind of like a loosish deep wave, and I got 24 inches. I got 4 bundles because I couldn't tell if this was gonna be enough, so I got 4 bundles. I guess let's get into this video of doing a sew-in. Even though it's 10 p.m., y'all, I'm still going to shampoo twice. So, of course, the first shampoo is to get rid of any initial product or dirt. And then the second shampoo is to thoroughly clean your hair and scalp and prep it for what the conditioner is going to do.
Walk into the bar, wanna have a good time, all by myself. Yeah, I was doing fine. From across the...
Okay, so as you can see, I have shampooed my hair, and yeah, listen, y'all, my texture be confused in the front. I'm probably losing it. That's the whole, I guess, becoming a straight natural thing, right? So everyone's hair responds differently. My hair has been bleached. Oh, it's a little lopsided, sorry, y'all. My hair has been bleached and straightened and all that stuff. So that's probably why it looks like this. Yeah, I'm using the Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. I'm going to apply that to my hair, especially the front section that's gonna get straightened. Okay, so there is that. And then I'm gonna put on this cap and let it sit. Oh, wow. All right, time to color the bundles. So I'm using the Redken Shades EQ Gloss. I'm using the color 1B or Onyx, and that is because I previously colored my hair blue black, but it's already starting to fade, so I wanted it to still blend. And then I'm using 10 volume to make sure I open the cuticle. Normally with the Shades EQ Gloss, you use the Shades EQ toners, but I wanted something just a little stronger so that the hair would actually take on the color. So I also used the toner bottle because I wanted to be able to apply this to the bundles quick and make it spread far, okay? I only had 1 bottle of this 1B available, so I was really trying to get it through all my bundles. So I went and wet the bundles as you saw so that the color would spread a lot easier. Okay, so as you can see, I got 2 of them colored, but I ran out of product, so I'm going to color those at home because it's super late and I haven't even eaten dinner. But you see the difference? These are black, jet black, and these are brown. And my hair I colored jet black, so yeah, we're gonna make sure that gets colored to look like that, and it'll be perfect. And now I'm going to go ahead, wash out my hair, and blow dry it. So someone did comment on one of my other videos about me speeding through the like shampoo process, and so I wanted to highlight here, because this is in time lapse, that I do have other videos on my channel as well where you can really see a true explanation of my process when it comes to blow drying my hair. So definitely make sure you check out my channel, and I will have loads of videos for you to look at as to what I do when blow drying my short hair. All right, y'all, it's 11 o'clock. My hair is blow dried, and I'm just about to rinse out the 2 bundles that I got to color and get out of this place. All right, y'all, I'm back. This is day 2. We are at the house, and yeah. So yeah, this is my hair's looking like second day from the blow dry. Well, I guess day after blow dry. And then these are the black bundles. Well, I'm gonna flip it for you. So these are the black bundles now that they have been colored and they're dry. You can definitely see the texture of the hair, which I like. It'll just add a little interest. And then these are the uncolored ones. So you can see that difference when they're next to each other. And I did notice my hair has faded a little, so it's probably not as dark as the other one, but it's also not as brown as this one. So, hey, you gotta make it. You gotta make it work. Yeah, I feel like that would still go better. So, now it's time to use the rest of the color that I have to color these 2 bundles. But first, I'm going to shampoo them, and then I'm going to go ahead and color them so that the color will spread. Okay, so as you can see, I washed the bundles, and the color that I'm going to use that was left over in the salon is the Redken Chromatics. This is a special version. What is it? Because they have 2 types of chromatics, but there's this one. They use the oil and cream base, and I'm using 1AB, which is ash blue, so it should make it the same as my hair and as the other bundles. And then I'm using the 20 volume 6% oil and cream developer. I have no scale, so we're going to eyeball it. But if you want it to be like correct mathematically or whatever, it does show on the side of the tube how much you are using. So at least you have some type of measurement. Because I am at home, this is a little messier, but I am using my hands and just applying straight from the bowl, making sure I completely coat every strand of hair. I'm opening out the bundles, running my hands over the tops by the wefts to make sure the roots are also the same color, and then I just put it in a towel to sit. So, yep, just kind of doing that little process. Okay, so I have finished applying the color to the bundles. So let's look at this is what we're working with. I put it on a towel to avoid staining the sink too much. I already stained this one. Oh, speaking of, I'm gonna have to spray that. But yeah, as you can see, I already stained this one. So trying to avoid doing too much damage. And I'm bleaching this one right now. So yeah, but here's the bundles. We'll see how it turns out, if they're gonna look the same or if not, because I did use, well, I used Redken, but I used toner on this versus permanent color. So we'll see how it works. All right, so I'm washing out the bundles. Just really trying to thoroughly make sure that all of that product is out. And then I'm going to let it dry and take it with me to the salon. So on my last video, then you know that my bestie Shania was visiting and I had to get her hair right. As you can see, her hair is styled back there and she really wanted to help me before her flight. So she was drying the hair for me and just kind of getting it separated and put together while I started braiding down, and then she was gonna come help me braid down my hair as well. All right, y'all, I am back at home. Shania sewed down my net for me. I dropped her to the airport, so that's that. Now it's time for me to sew in the bundles. But I'm gonna do that downstairs on my couch. So I'm gonna just come back to y'all when I have most of it sewn in. All right, y'all, I am on my 4th bundle, sewing it in. It's coming together. It is 1 something in the morning. Got work at 8:30. Not too bad. If I can get this done by 2, I can get some sleep. But your girl got meetings this week in the salon, so yeah, I can't not finish my hair. So we just gotta do what we gotta do. But I'm down here, and I was just left by myself to finish, so almost there. Look at that. We are close. Yeah, and it's cute too. Definitely a really good texture, I would say, as well. It's nice, it's full, it's fluffy. So consider the Hollywood wave. We'll see what it's like to style it. And I'll focus on styling just because my last video focused on the install. So this time I'll focus on like blending my hair in the bundles. But yeah, I'm just here watching my girl Yanni, and I'm here with Ziggy. So, you know, gotta watch your girl because she preaches facts. And then of course we are here with the boy. Psst. Stay there. Yeah, so back to work I go. Got my 2 needles ready. Time to get to work. All right, y'all, it's next morning. I have a meeting for work, so I'm just gonna quickly press the hair and I'll let you see it. Let me know in the comments if y'all want to see a more detailed video on me sewing in the bundles, but it was so late and it was in a rush, so I didn't even bother recording that, y'all. I'm sorry. But here I am straightening my hair. It's actually very easy to straighten, and I love when it's kind of fluffy just because I think it makes it look so much more natural, especially when it's this long. But as you can see, I'm moving through it real easy, and like I said, I was doing this the morning before my meeting, so no sleep over here, but I still got it done. All right, I have lightly pressed my hair. So you can see it's kind of straight, kind of wavy. That's basically what I'm going for, so it's just easy to blend on camera right now. But I'm just gonna straighten the top of my leave out, and that's it for now. To straighten my little short hair, I just made sure I take some sections to go backwards to cover the back of the wefts, and then I started taking them going down to each side. I also took out my edges so that I could straighten that. Y'all, when I tell you this was my favorite hairstyle, I loved it so much, but the only problem is after this, like when I wore it in New York, I gave myself heat damage, which will explain all of the videos that are to come. But forewarning, don't straighten your hair too much when you have leave out. Thanks. All right, so here we are, lightly pressed, nothing crazy, nothing wild. I'm gonna be on camera, so, you know, we'll come back with the full styling in a little bit, but this is what it looks like. I trimmed the ends, and so it looks like this. And yeah, so you can kind of see it right now, but I have a wax stick that I'll use to actually style it when I'm going outside. So I'll see y'all when that time comes. fun fact, the night before my flight, I accidentally burned myself on the neck with a curling iron. So this was my go-to style, my beach waves, because there was no risk of me burning myself again. I loved it so much. Make sure you like this video and follow for more.